Save some steps while exploring the Vegas Strip with free tram service. Coming up. Where are we going next? Let's go. The Vegas Strip is immense. It's easy to do 30 to 40 to 50,000 steps in a day. It's no wonder in the heat, this can wear you out. Thankfully, the Strip has a few options for a free tram service. The first is the ARIA Express. This tram will connect you to the Bellagio, the ARIA, Crystals, and Park MGM, so you can explore those casinos without having to walk in between them, because walking inside of them is enough. These trams operate throughout the day and are air conditioned, clean, and honestly, they're usually not very crowded. So it's a great way to cut some time off your day and cut some steps out where you can enjoy a quick trip between casinos. The next tram is the Mandalay Bay Tram. This one connects the Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. It's a great way to see this area of the Strip because these casinos are massive and they are many city blocks to get between them. So taking the tram between them will be awesome. Vegas is hot and sunny and it can wear you out quick. These trams are a great way to get around and a fun thing to do in Vegas. And your final tram is the Treasure Island to Mirage Tram. On your next trip to Vegas, remember, take the tram, save your feet and your sanity. Until then, travel safe. Where are we going next? Let's go.